If you are suffering from repetitive stress or back and neck pain, then this is the video for you. Modern day lifestyle requires a lot of work in front of the computer. In this video, I will show you some good practices to follow while working on desk. Before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Ouch! My neck and my back hurt. On top of that, I'm getting fat thanks to my sedentary lifestyle. I need to go and visit a doctor as soon as possible. This pain is getting worse day by day.
Like Preeti, there are millions of people suffering from neck and back pain. According to the American Medical Association, lower back and neck pain rank third in the total healthcare costs in US annually, coming in at a staggering $86 billion. In office workers, the 12 months prevalence of neck pain is at a shocking 45.5%, which speaks to the poor posture and ergonomic setups of most office space, among other reasons. Hi, I am Dr. Dina, and today I am going to show you 7 easy stretches that you can do to help reduce neck and back pains. Stretch number 1. Standing chest stretch. In a standing position, take the arms behind you and if you can, lace your fingers together. Straighten the arms and gently lift your hands up a few inches until you feel a stretch in your chest. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds. Breathe deeply in through your nose and out of your mouth. Continue holding the position with your arms extended as far as they can go. Keep looking forward and don't bend your neck. Avoid this move if you have shoulder problems. Benefits of this stretch: improves flexibility, better posture, and better circulation to help recover you from your workout. It also helps in reducing soreness if your muscles are tight. Stretch number 2. Standing thigh stretch. The quadriceps, or quads for short, is the muscle group in the front of your thighs. You can use these muscles when you walk, run, or do lunges. To stretch your quads, stand up tall and shift your weight to the right leg. Lift your left leg and grasp with your left hand while breathing in. Pull the left leg towards your butt till you feel the stretch while breathing out. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds and repeat with the other leg. Benefit of this exercise: standing thigh stretch improves flexibility in the quadriceps and hip flexors. It also helps release tension in the lower back and hips. This pose soothes stiffness in the spine and legs and also helps with improving the posture. It also tones the abdominal muscles. Stretch number 3. Neck rolls. This exercise can be done sitting or standing. Close your eyes. Let your chin drop down to your chest. Begin to circle your neck slowly, taking the right ear to the right shoulder, the head back, and then the left ear to the left shoulder. Try to keep the shoulders relaxed and not to hurry through any areas of tightness that you come across. Take 3 to 5 rolls and then switch directions and take another 3 to 5 rolls. Benefit: helps relax and stretch neck muscles and cervical spine. This exercise can help alleviate any discomfort or pain associated with neck strain and can help prevent neck injuries and pain. Stretch number 4. Seated forward fold pose on chair. Sit at the edge of a chair with the legs extended in front of you. The feet should be flexed, toes pointed towards the ceiling. Sit up tall, lengthen the crown of your head away from your tailbone, move the arms forward, hold the feet and rest the forehead on the legs. Hold for 10 deep breaths. Benefits: this simple pose is another good antidote to sitting upright in your chair. An excellent hip opener, this forward bend counteracts the tightness of your hips that you develop from sitting with your legs straight in front of you, helping you to maintain mobility in your hip joints. Stretch number 5. Chair rotation. For this exercise, you would need to sit sideways in a chair. Your right side should be resting against the back of the chair. Keeping your legs stationary, rotate your torso to the right, reaching for the back of the chair with your hands. Hold your upper body there using your arms to stretch deeper and deeper as your muscles loosen. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 3 times on each side. Benefits: good for upper, mid and lower back. Stretch number 6. Knee tucks. Sit tall on the front half of your chair. Grasp the sides lightly with your hands and lean back slightly as you tighten your abs and bring your right knee up to the chest height. Lower it as you raise your left knee on the next rep. Alternate sides. If you really get good at this, try lifting both the knees at once, even just a few inches. Do up to 5 repetitions per leg. Benefits: works the core muscles. Stretch number 7. Cat-cow pose. Start on all fours with your neck neutral. Your palms should be directly under your shoulders and your knees should directly be under your hips. On your next inhale, tuck your pelvis and round out your mid-back. Draw your navel towards your spine and drop your head to relax your neck. After 3 to 5 seconds, exhale and return to a neutral spine position. Then turn your face towards the sky, allowing your back to sink towards the floor. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Repeat this sequence 5 times. Benefits: good for mid and lower back. Now, let's have a look at the top tips to have a better back health for desk workers. The first one is having an active lifestyle. As you all know, desk work compels a person to sit in the same position for a very long time and this badly impacts the shape of the spine. However, you can prevent the damages by maintaining an active lifestyle. It is important that your exercise includes your core, which includes abdomen, pelvis and back muscles at least twice a week. The second tip is ergonomic furniture and equipment. Now, most furniture at the office should have an ergonomic design, even for something as small as a keyboard. This implies that all the objects used should be designed for optimum human usage. Check the height of your chair, table, phone, monitor and keyboard properly so that you don't have to strain your body while working. Tip number 3. A good chair can make a world of difference. Investing on a good chair is a great idea to relieve the pressure on your back. A high quality ergonomically designed chair will offer the right level of comfort while working. The armrests or footrests must be adjusted properly so that they provide necessary support when you sit on the chair. Don't forget to check the lumbar support as it's essential for providing support to your spine. Tip number 4. Practice sitting up straight. A proper posture while working at your desk is imperative to enjoy healthy back. Don't slouch on your chair or lean forward while working as that puts unnecessary pressure on the back. Also, you need to put the monitor in straight line with your eyes so that you don't have to change your position while working on your computer. Tip number 5. Take short breaks. Taking short breaks not only helps your mind to relax but also relieves any kind of built-up pressure on the spine. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment and share the video, as you all know sharing is caring. Most importantly, hit the subscribe button to be notified of all the new content on our channel. Do check out my website top5listicle.com for interesting top 5 lists related to health and beauty from around the world. Check out the description for the website link. For interesting illustrations and content, follow me on Top 5 Listicle. Bye bye until next time.